What is revenue operations?
Revenue operations, or RevOps, is the practice of aligning sales, marketing, and customer success around shared data, process, and revenue goals.
Why does RevOps matter?
It reduces handoff friction, improves forecasting, and helps teams scale with less duplication and confusion.
What problem does RevOps usually solve?
It addresses siloed teams, inconsistent process, poor reporting, and revenue leakage across the customer lifecycle.
What is a revenue funnel?
A revenue funnel is the staged journey from lead to customer to renewal or expansion.
Why are shared definitions important in RevOps?
Teams need the same meaning for terms like lead, opportunity, pipeline, and churn to make reporting trustworthy.
What is lifecycle stage management?
It is the practice of tracking where prospects and customers are in the commercial journey and what should happen next.
What is lead routing?
Lead routing is the process of sending new leads to the right owner or workflow based on rules such as territory or segment.
Why do handoffs matter in RevOps?
Weak handoffs cause lost context, slower follow-up, and dropped revenue opportunities.
What is territory design?
Territory design decides how accounts or prospects are divided across teams, regions, or reps.
What is pipeline hygiene?
Pipeline hygiene is keeping CRM opportunities accurate, current, and free of stale or misleading data.
Why is forecast accuracy important?
Better forecasts help leaders allocate budget, headcount, and expectations more responsibly.
What is a source of truth in RevOps?
It is the trusted system or reporting layer where teams go for the official version of core revenue data.
What is CRM governance?
CRM governance is the set of rules and ownership practices that keep customer data clean and usable.
Why should automation be used carefully in RevOps?
Automation can save time, but poor automation can spread bad data or broken process faster.
What is attribution in revenue operations?
Attribution is the method used to determine which channels or touches influenced pipeline or revenue outcomes.
Why do RevOps teams care about conversion rates?
Conversion rates reveal where the funnel is working well and where prospects are leaking out.
What is expansion revenue in RevOps?
Expansion revenue is additional revenue from current customers through upgrades, add-ons, or seat growth.
What is churn analysis?
Churn analysis examines why customers leave or downgrade so teams can improve retention.
Why are service level agreements useful between GTM teams?
SLAs make response time, handoff quality, and ownership expectations explicit.
What is enablement in a RevOps context?
Enablement is making sure frontline teams have the process, tools, messaging, and training needed to execute well.
What is a dashboard in RevOps?
A dashboard is a focused view of key revenue metrics used to monitor performance and make decisions.
Why should RevOps prioritize usability, not just reporting depth?
If dashboards and process are too complex, frontline teams stop trusting or using them.
What is revenue leakage?
Revenue leakage is value lost through missed follow-up, process gaps, poor pricing control, or weak renewals.
Why does RevOps need cross-functional credibility?
The work succeeds only when multiple teams trust the data and adopt the shared process.
What is a useful RevOps question?
Where does misalignment cost us time, confidence, or revenue today?
What is a durable RevOps habit?
Keep definitions clear, systems clean, and handoffs explicit so growth can scale without chaos.
What is funnel velocity?
Funnel velocity is the speed at which prospects move through the pipeline toward revenue.
Why should process changes be measured after rollout?
Without measurement, teams cannot tell whether the change improved outcomes or just added complexity.
What is deal inspection?
Deal inspection is a structured review of pipeline opportunities to test quality, risk, and forecast realism.
What is a strong RevOps principle?
Design process around clear ownership and trustworthy data, not around organizational politics.
Why should customer success be part of RevOps?
Revenue is affected by retention and expansion, so post-sale execution belongs in the same operating picture.
What is operational debt in revenue teams?
Operational debt is the hidden cost of messy systems, unclear stages, and manual workarounds that no longer scale.
Why do RevOps teams care about handoff timestamps?
Timestamps reveal whether leads, opportunities, or renewals are being acted on fast enough to protect revenue.
What is a funnel stage exit criterion?
It is the explicit condition that must be true before a deal or account moves to the next stage.
Why should pipeline stages reflect reality, not optimism?
Artificially advanced deals make forecasts weaker and hide where execution is actually breaking down.
What is a lead source taxonomy?
It is the agreed naming system for where leads came from so attribution stays consistent.
Why should revenue data quality be owned clearly?
Shared responsibility often means no one fixes data problems before they spread into reporting and decisions.
What is a renewal motion?
A renewal motion is the structured process for retaining customers at the point their contract or subscription is up for continuation.
Why do revenue teams need cross-functional metrics?
Shared metrics encourage alignment across marketing, sales, and success instead of siloed local optimization.
What is SLA compliance in RevOps?
SLA compliance measures whether teams are meeting the agreed standards for speed, quality, or follow-through.
Why is segmentation useful in RevOps?
Segmentation helps teams tailor process and messaging based on customer size, industry, or lifecycle stage.
What is a RevOps operating cadence?
It is the recurring rhythm of pipeline reviews, forecast reviews, dashboard checks, and process improvement meetings.
What is a strong RevOps habit?
Measure the flow of work across the whole revenue journey, not just the local outputs of one team.
Why should automation be audited periodically?
Automations that once helped can become a source of bad data or friction as the business evolves.